This is a dual-arm tire removal machine. First, use a large shovel to scrape the tire edge. Fix the tire on the large plate. Adjust the position of the auxiliary arm and fix it pneumatically. Adjust the position of the auxiliary arm and lift the first layer of tire edge with a pry bar. Lift the tire edge with a pry bar and adjust the position of the auxiliary arm. Start the turntable and remove the first layer of tires. Lift up the tire and adjust the position of the auxiliary arm. Remove the second layer of tire. Start the turntable to complete the entire tire disassembly process.